are fantastic. They're really fascinating.
At the Dahlia Trial Garden in Tacoma's Point Defiance Park, most people come for the colors. Matt Kracht is here for the bees.
They're fuzzy and cute, and they sort of move in slow motion, and they are super chill.
After spending a good part of the pandemic sketching, painting, and researching these buzzworthy sorcerers of the insect world, Matt has published OMFG Bees, a guidebook to all things bees.
It's kind of a loving look at bees.
Which might come as a surprise to those familiar with Matt's other best-selling field guides, to dumb birds.
Let's face it, birds are dumb and they never shut up.
Though Matt doesn't really hate birds,
I actually love birds.
he wrote and illustrated the guides like a cursing crank.
There's a lot of foul language, if you'll forgive the pun.
Trying to convince the world that birds, like the Canada goose, suck.
Thanks a lot, Canada. These are often considered a pest species. Basically, everything about these geese just makes you want to choke them.
For decades, Matt had a corporate job. Then in 2018, he became a professional bird hater.
The dullard. If someone is feeding bread to a bunch of ducks at a park, chances are this bread hog is in the scuffle, shoving other ducks out of the way to get it. It has a striking bottle green head and could be a very pretty bird if it just lost some weight. All of that bread, though. I was concerned initially that I would be hated by ornithologists, but actually they find a lot of humor in it. And so the only hate mail I get is about the cursing crows. Caw, 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 caw. That's pretty much it with these jerks.
In a way, Matt was punching up with birds. With bees, during a pandemic, the cranky character just no longer fit.
I wanted to do something that felt more positive. I also didn't want to beat up on bees because they're struggling right now. All the pollinators are. I think we can all agree that these chunky little fuzzballs are freaking adorable.
Seems like a pretty good life, visiting gardens, knocking out bestsellers. Matt has no complaints.
Life is good. The birds and the bees have been good to me.